Wow, what a delightful recipe with the truest of the delicacy combinations found here in Brazil. This simple recipe for an easy, practical and inexpensive dessert for you to enjoy with your friends. I will dispatch the ingredients.
Ingredients: milk, 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 5 tablespoons of powdered chocolate, or if you prefer it can be powdered chocolate, 100 grams of chocolate confectionery or whatever you prefer. Let's go to the preparation saucepan, pour the contents of a can of condensed milk, light 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and chocolate powder or chocolate. Over medium heat, stir until all ingredients are dissolved. When it starts to boil, until it cooks, and the bottom of the pan or equals la cosmic appears. Turn off the heat, to cool. Freeze for 2 hours. After 2 hours, roll in small balls, until all the dough is finished. Put the confectionery of your choice in a recipe and plate while the balls eat all the toppings. Ready! Now it's so usable. Like our video to share more Brazilian recipes.